Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and it is officially moving week. This day we actually hired packers to help us pack the main floor just because we needed extra help and hands to help us pack everything before the big move in 2 days. It was my first time hiring packers for such a thing, and I highly recommend it because it eases a lot of pressure on you to get everything done by yourself. In total, it took them around 6 to 7 hours to help us pack everything we needed. Fast forward to the next day, it was our first time doing a walkthrough of the new place with no furniture inside, and the place seemed a lot bigger than what we remember, and it's just really nice to be able to walk around in our new place. So this is the living room. Here's the kitchen. This is the main reason why we wanted to rent this place. Today is officially moving day. The past couple weeks have been a lot of work, just doing a lot of packing. I'm like mentally and physically drained right now, but I am excited. I'm just like wanting to get this over with because let me just show you how many boxes we have. This isn't even all of the boxes, and it's taking up all of the garage space right now.
Your box is taking the entire car too, by the way.
On the actual moving day, it was actually hard to vlog any process of it because it took 19 hours to move out of our house into the new one. But by midnight, 1 a.m., we were able to bring our cats to the new place, and here is Howell adjusting to the new office. This was the very first room that I let him explore, and then later he went out to the other rooms of the house. We didn't go to bed until 3:30 in the morning. It was a very long day, and I just really wanted to get to bed at this point because we had to get up really early in the morning the next day, but I had to be patient with Howell and let him explore his new home. It's 3 a.m. and I'm letting Howell just explore the house all by himself. Home. Alright, so I am gonna start building out some furniture. We got these IKEA bookshelves. Well, they're not bookshelves, they're more like side tables. They arrived today. And our plan is that this would go behind our living room couch so that we could store a lot of books there, especially cookbooks. And it's the Holmerud, I might be saying it wrong, but it's that model at IKEA. It's like Insta famous, like it got really viral, so it was out of stock for the longest time, but we saw it in stock and we ordered it immediately and just had it delivered to our house because we need new storage solutions because this place doesn't really have as much storage as the last place, but it's fine. We'll just like have to find new solutions like building bookshelves. I'm really excited to just live in this space. I'll give you guys a tour more closer to when we kind of furnish everything because right now there's just boxes everywhere. But for now, let's just build out all of the stuff. So this is the model I was talking about for the bookshelf that we got. Well, it's not a bookshelf. What do I call it? Like a console? I stopped recording for a bit so I could really lock in, but here is the finished product. Now I have one more to make and then we'll put it together right behind our couch. Alright, so while I was building the shelf, we had them unpack all of our boxes and work on organizing the kitchen area. It's a lot of stuff, but so far it's a big progress we've been making. This is all the bowls that we have. Hello guys, so it's been a few days since we moved in and since the last time I even talked to you guys on this vlog, but let's do a little bit of a catch up. First off, a few days after we moved in, our power went out for 2 whole days because of a windstorm here in Seattle. And there's something about the power grids here in Seattle, it's so flimsy and it really can't handle any sort of wind. So whenever there is a windstorm, there's just major power outages. Like this was the map of the power outage. It was pretty insane. So yeah, unfortunately our little neighborhood, it kind of took a while for the crews to be assigned and fix it, but I'm very thankful for everyone who works in that little industry because it seems like a lot of work. We actually ended up driving past the crew and they were fixing the power line, like the power grid, whatever you call it, in our neighborhood, and it just seemed like a lot of work. So big thank you to them for handling the situation as soon as possible. Another quick update, Matt got sick, so I'm waiting for pho to arrive. I've just been using Uber Eats to deliver all of the essentials because it's really trafficy in Seattle these days, especially with like, you know, just all the traffic related things happening, so I didn't really want to leave. Plus my car is in the dealership right now because I had to get the brakes replaced, which was very pricey, but I'm just telling myself it's not gonna be a frequent service I need to get done, so it's okay. Anyway, as we wait for the food to arrive, I want to give you guys a very impromptu tour of the place because it's like somewhat, you know, furnished. We still have a lot of work to do, but I just want to show you guys what the place is looking like so far. Okay, so I've shown you guys my office, but I still don't have any furniture. We haven't had time to go to IKEA yet, so this is the space that I have to work with. My idea for the space is my desk will remain here. I do want to get some wall shelves here to kind of have more decoration on this wall because it looks very empty. And on the other side of the wall, I initially imagined this would have like a couch or something, but once I moved in, I realized that this room isn't really big enough to have like the love seat type of couch that I would want. So I'm thinking that instead, because I really need storage solution here within my office, I'm gonna go to IKEA and find something that would look good against this wall, maybe some like hideaway shelving system, and then in this little corner I'll have a little couch or something, just so I could have a different place to lounge in my office when I'm having to work or just wanting to read or something. And what's interesting about this whole layout is that it actually connects to the other bedroom through this bathroom right here. So yeah, this is the guest bedroom. There's really nothing much to show about it. It is bigger than my office, but I really like the location of my office room more than this one. And the bed isn't made because I actually slept here last night since Matt is sick. Like I cannot get sick again this year because it just takes up a lot of your energy to recover and you just get delayed with a lot of things. So I'm trying to not get sick as much as possible, which means not sleeping in the same bed as him. And speaking of bed, I don't want to show you guys the master bedroom yet because there's honestly like, it's not really well made right now, and that's one place I want to kind of keep private for now because it's just a hot mess. Oh yeah, one thing to note, so right behind me is the laundry washer room, but unfortunately after like only doing 3 loads of laundry here, the washer right now, as you can see, is like blinking. There's some sort of control board issue, so I did have to hire a maintenance man to come around. He's coming in like a week because that's the earliest appointment available, and this is like, yeah, it's really annoying because we need to do laundry. I'm considering like taking my laundry to a laundromat and asking them if they could do it for us, but we'll see. And then here is the kitchen. I actually should have filmed this in the daytime because for once it was actually sunny today and it looked really beautiful with the sunlight hitting in, but I was working on some other things and I was just busy running around grabbing medicine and food, so I didn't have the time to vlog earlier. But yeah, this is our favorite part of the house and Matt really loves his kitchen, which is a very good thing. So one of the main reasons why we rented this place was it was the same price as our like last place we lived in, but this has like this extra prep kitchen room and the lights go on automatically, which is really cool. And this is just a really great space for Matt to have extra room for any of his kitchen appliances and spices, ingredients. It even has extra counter space, which is really nice. So overall, this kitchen was like the main reason why we rented this place and decided to go ahead with the 2-year lease because we both didn't want to move as much anymore. And yeah, it's like so far really great. I think even our cats are enjoying this place a lot more. What's funny is like in the last place, Howl and Ladybird was like not getting along, but in this place, they're getting along better. And to be more specific, Ladybird is the one that was always the grumpy one and very territorial, but she's doing so much better here, and she actually lets Howl be around her and lay near her, and she'll just be fine with it. And the other night they actually ended up sleeping in the same room together, which was like a huge step forward in their relationship. So I think this space will just open up more opportunities for them to, you know, get along finally. And then here is our living room. It's pretty spacious, and right next to the living room is Matt's office. It's a pretty good sized office, I would say, but there's a lot of work to do and new furniture to build and organize.